Today, I'm going to teach you how to collect email addresses with Google Forms. This is incredibly useful when you need to gather contact information from survey participants or want to follow up with respondents later on. First, open your web browser and head over to forms.google.com. You'll need to log in using your credentials if you haven't already. Make sure you're using the Google account associated with the forms you want to manage. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Google Forms dashboard. Here you'll see a section labeled Recent Forms. This displays all the forms you've created or recently worked on. Browse through and click on the form where you want to start collecting email addresses. This will open up that specific form in the editor view. Now look at the top toolbar where you'll see several options. Click on Settings. This is where all the configuration options for your form live, allowing you to control how responses are collected and what information you gather from participants. In the Settings menu, you'll notice different sections. Navigate to Responses and click the arrow beside it to expand this section. This area controls how your form handles the information people submit. Look for the option that says Collect Email Addresses. Once you find it, click the drop-down menu next to it. From the options that appear, select Responder Input. By choosing this option, you're enabling the form to automatically request email addresses from anyone who fills it out. This ensures you'll have contact information for every submission. Next, scroll down a bit until you see Form Defaults. Click the arrow beside it to expand this section. This area contains settings that will apply to all new forms you create moving forward, which saves you time if you regularly need email collection enabled. Within Form Defaults, locate the setting labeled Collect Email Addresses by Default. Click the drop-down menu and select Responder Input once again. This step is important because it ensures that any new forms you create in the future will automatically have email collection turned on, so you won't have to repeat this process every single time. And that's it. You've successfully configured your Google form to collect email addresses from respondents. From now on, whenever someone fills out your form, their email address will be captured along with their responses, making it much easier to organize, analyze, and follow up with your audience. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.